good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another embroidery video. And we are going to do something a little special, and this goes out to those 90s babies. If you do remember the cartoon Courage the Cowardly Dog, one of my favorite cartoons. I think a subscriber asked about it, so I am going to go ahead and do this video, and hopefully you guys like it. So stay tuned to the video. Alrighty, on to the next color. So let's go ahead and put that in and get that started, guys. Stay tuned. So guys, once again, I know I said it before, probably not in this video, but I know it's in another video. So do me a huge favor, guys. If you have any suggestions on videos or pictures that you might want to see, go ahead and put those in the comment below. And if I can digitize it, then it could be turned into a video. So appreciate you guys. Alrighty guys, we are on to the next color, which will be the pink for the body. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And if you're still here watching this video, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It will be greatly appreciated, guys. And also just want to say thank you guys for the support. I recently hit 100 subscribers, so thank you. I appreciate it, guys, and the videos wouldn't be nothing without you guys, so definitely appreciate you guys. Thank you. It don't look like much yet, but guys, stay tuned. You'll see it. Man, what is that? Somebody, what is this? What is this? I don't know, but I'm about to bag it up and try to redo that part. That's horrible. Let me see what's going on real quick. I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. So as you can probably see, the tail looked way better. I had to go into the laptop, go to the software, change the tail. So basically the tail had a satin stitch, but it was the thinnest satin stitch that could be on there. I don't know how it happened, but I had to go on there, change it to a field stitch, and like I said, as you can see, it looked more fuller. So, you know, trials and errors, guys, trials and errors. So all right, on to the next color. All right, that was a short one. So on to the next color. Go ahead and swap this out real quick. It's definitely coming out good now. Looks great. Let me know, guys, down in the comment section what you think about the video so far. Does it look good? Does it look like Courage the Cowardly Dog? Is it coming out good? Yes, no, maybe so. Quit my day job. Let me know down in the comment section, guys. Okay, guys, can you do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. Thank you guys once again, and I do have a surprise for you guys, so definitely stay tuned to the end of the video. Really do appreciate it. Alrighty, guys, that is the end of the video. Embroidery is done. Let me go ahead and take that out of the hoop real quick. So, guys, you hear that? Oh, I'm tripping. Might just be paranoid. But like I was saying, guys, so alrighty, guys, so let me bag up a little bit and show you guys the final result. I don't know if it's too much light or not enough, but what you guys think, let me know. Come out good. Looks great. I actually like this design. Seriously, it looks dope. I love it. Got a couple of little jump stitches. Let's just clip real quick. Nothing major. Perfect. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the design. How did it come out? Let me see something. Tilt this more. There we go. Shine some more light onto it. Hold on. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. But let me know what you guys think. Go ahead, put your opinions down in the comment section. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys again for staying and watching this video. And once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness, guys. And I'm out.